Hola and welcome to TUI SUNEO Platja D'Or. I'm Sarah, your TUI SUNEO rep, and I am delighted to welcome you to this fantastic hotel in the stunning resort of Alcudia, Mallorca. This is a very special destination, the first adults-only hotel in the TUI SUNEO family. It's designed for guests looking for that extra bit of calm, comfort, and grown-up relaxation. As you step inside, you'll be greeted by our bright and friendly reception area. Our 24-hour team is always available to help with anything you need during your stay, including reps like me on hand to help you make the most of your holiday. The lobby is a lovely space to relax with a drink, meet up with friends, or plan your day. Check out our information boards for the latest on daily activities and evening entertainment. Plus, with free Wi-Fi throughout the hotel, staying connected is a breeze. Let's take a look at where you'll be staying. Our rooms are all fresh, light and comfortable, perfect for unwinding after a day in the sun. Solo travelers will love our single rooms with balcony, a peaceful retreat with your own outdoor space. Our twin rooms offer 2 comfy single beds and a balcony for enjoying a quiet, comfortable view. We also have specially adapted rooms to ensure accessibility for those that need it. All our rooms come with satellite TV, air conditioning, and other modern amenities. Everything you need for a comfortable stay. Now let's head outside to one of my favorite spots, the pool area. Our main pool is perfect for a cool plunge or a few lengths in the sunshine. For those of you wanting to unwind, our hydro pool offers relaxing bubbles and a peaceful atmosphere. And if you prefer a more laid-back vibe, our shallow pool is ideal for cooling off without going all in. Surrounded by lounges and parasols, it's the ultimate space to stretch out and soak up that Mallorcan sun, all in a tranquil, adults-only setting. Beyond the pools, there are unique areas around the hotel designed to help you truly relax. In our lush gardens, our chill-out area with beanbags is a peaceful hideaway. An ideal spot for a cold drink. Get stuck into one of the books in our hotel library, or our outdoor terrace offers another lovely shady retreat. Foodies, you're in for a treat. At our World Cuisine buffet restaurant, there's something to satisfy every craving. Mornings start with a mix of continental favourites, fresh fruits, pastries, and made-to-order eggs. Muchas gracias. Lunch brings a spread of local dishes, international bites, and crisp, colourful salads. In the evening, theme nights take you around the world. From Italian to Spanish classics, to Asian delights, all with live show cooking to make your meal an experience. And when it's time for a drink, or if you're feeling peckish, our pool bar and snack bar have you covered. Both are part of your all-inclusive package and serve up a great selection of local drinks and light bites throughout the day. There's plenty to do if you like to stay active while you're away. Join a game of French Boules, or test your aim with park darts. Challenge a friend at pool, table tennis, or jump into an energetic dance class with our animation team. If you prefer something gentler, Aqua gym sessions are also available to help you unwind and stay flexible. We also have an on-site gym for those that want more of a workout. One of the best things about staying here is the stunning Alcudia Beach, just a 2-minute walk away across a shaded park. Look at this. It's like having a Caribbean beach right on the doorstep. Enjoy soft golden sands, clear turquoise waters, and the ideal place for a spot of sunbathing or a sunset stroll. If you're a nature lover, don't miss Llac Gran, a few minutes walk away. Isn't it beautiful? The perfect spot for reflecting or bird watching. Plus, the hotel grounds are a joy to explore, with beautiful gardens and eye-catching architecture throughout. Alcudia's resort centre is nearby, with bars, restaurants and shops just waiting to be discovered. It's easy to get around and there's always something to see. History lovers should visit Alcudia's medieval old town with its narrow streets, ancient walls and authentic atmosphere. And don't miss the weekly market for a taste of Mallorcan culture. Want to explore further afield? Albufera Natural Park is a must. Just a short bus ride away and ideal for bird watching and peaceful walks. Thanks for joining me on this tour of TUI SUNEO Platja D'Or. Whether it's relaxation or entertainment you're after, we've got everything you need for an amazing adults-only holiday in the sunshine. From all of us here, we wish you a wonderful holiday in beautiful Alcudia. ¡Hasta luego!